In the previous video, where I was still talking about the data wrangling and the data cleaning using Power Query, I stopped at how you can use hard columns, and I was trying to explain the concept of lead time, that is the time interval when an order is being placed and when the order is delivered. So we can try to look at the difference between the ship date and the order date. So in that sense, I will go to the add column and I'll click on the custom the custom column. So I can take this to be the lead time, and so I will just take this ship date, I will insert minus the order date. I will also insert, and boom, no syntax errors has been detected. So I'll press OK, and I will have a new column that shows the number of days when the order is being placed and where this is being delivered. So with this, I can go to the transform and I can run this figure up. Here's the okay, let me take this. Yes, I'm trying to run it so that I will only have the 3. Okay, there's no need. Let me just go to the data type and make it a whole number. With that, I'm cool. So you can have it. So the data type is still correct as whole number. So I have it as whole number. So this should be in this. This will be in this. And you can verify that just by clicking, and you can drag to where you have the order date and the ship date. So you can take it there. You can take it to the beginning. So the order date and the ship date. So we have the lead time. So you can see it makes sense if the order is placed on the 8th of November and it was delivered on the 11th of November. That's 3 days interval. So yeah, and you can check within also 9th of, that should be the month of June, delivered on 14. So within 14 and 9, that's 5 days, correct? So this is cool. So this is how you can use your calculated columns in Power Query. So, and this will help you in your analysis. So some other things you can do with your Power Query is you can find a transpose if it needs be, depending on the situation. You can count the number of rows. In fact, if you don't need some observations, you can easily come to the Home tab and you can remove rows. So if there are some rows you don't want, you can remove some rows. You also have remove duplicate here as well. So we can remove duplicates, you can remove any blank rows, you can remove any form of error in any form. So this is how it works. More so, that I would like to also tell you that the concept of date is something that is very easy using Power Query. You can see that when I get to transform here, I go straight to date here. So I can determine age, I can determine date only, year, month, quarter, and the like. So if I want to know the order date, the year of the order date, just the way I was able to extract the year from the order ID the other time, I can also extract the year. So I'll just duplicate this and I'll get that. So, and if I need to know the maybe I'm interested in the month, I can easily know the month, that in which month were the order being placed. So in that case, I can right click on this and make a duplicate of this. So having the duplicate, I can now go to date, and I'll pick, since I want to know the month it falls into, I'll just click on month. Sometimes I might feel like I want to know the name of that month. So let me undo that process. I'll go to the date. Under the month, I'll just click on name of the month. If I want the days in the month, I can do that also. If I want the month, the end of the month, that is the date at the end of that month, which is EO month in the Microsoft Excel function. If I want to know the start, I can know. This is how powerful Power Query is. So let me use the name of, so we can see that the order date of this transaction, so this is the order month. This is the order month of this transaction in their respective year. You can see that now. And we can also use that to look for the time series trend in the sales of the product in each of these months. So the same thing, if I want to know the order, the order day as well, that is which period of during the week do we normally have much order. So these are the things you can use your Power Query to get, and this is very fantastic. This is really fantastic, and it will also help you to be able to do a lot of things while working with your Power BI. So in the next, try to keep up with this channel. In the next video, I would like to explain the concept of match and append queries in Microsoft Excel, and I'm sure you will enjoy watching that. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.